controlling the pace offensively and defensively.
Well, the first quarter, lumamang na Ginebra 27-14. We go to the second quarter, and we got introduced to Nick Pasicas. What can you say about Fazekas?
Wow, this guy is good. He's very skilled. Actually, his name reminds me of a Mediterranean dish.
Nagutom ka.
Nagutom ako eh. Order naman ng isang Fazekas sa kahit how much, please.
J.J. Elderbrand giving us a glimpse of what would be a big game, or at least a big finish para sa kanya.
At ito yung pagdating ng third quarter, hard foul from Rudy Hackett. And it was from there, we had the technical foul, and then we saw what he definitely brings to the game. Right there.
Ito, right? He was ejected, and he seemed to be happy about it. So far, Ginebra fan sa kanya, but he had to leave the game. And then Petros making that big run. Fazekas for three.
Fazekas. One order of Fazekas.
That cut down Ginebra's lead to just 2 points. And guess what? We're going to see more of Fazekas. Ginebra up by 3, and they go to Nick Fazekas.
The ball. Ball is being passed around. Maganda yung patience na pinakita ng Petron dito.
This is poise.
And then finally ending up with Nick Fazekas. Hitting that three. My name is Dirk Fazekas. Dirk Fazekas. Dirk Fazekas.
Tied ball game at 82. Less than 4 seconds remaining in the ball game. Bola ng Ginebra. Who was going to get it? Sino hawak ng bola? They gave it to J.J. Elderbrand. J.J. Naku, nakarangan ni Fazekas. But J.J. fight away for the win.
And that is why yung mga mukha namin ay napaka-isya.
I'm Siak of our Siak.
It was a perfect shot, you know, I mean, he was forced to alter it by Fazekas, pero yung composure tsaka yung kumpiyansa na galing kay J.J. Elderbrand, napakaganda. I think even though Alexander didn't score too much in the second half, the guy had at least 23 rebounds in this game. Yeah, that was huge for Ginebra. It helped a lot to give him extra possession. He manned the middle for Ginebra, and that was a big for getting the win.
Great move.